1, 2, 1, 2. What up, sis? How you doing? Minnesota, make some noise! Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Heather B. I love coming out to Minnesota each and every year and repping for the people. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for rocking with Sway in the morning on Shade 405. All the citizens out there, thank you for listening to the Happy Hour with Heather B. We came here today to have fun. Y'all say what up to everybody next to y'all. This stage ain't gonna be nothing but a party the entire time. Give it up for DJ Roisin again. Make sure y'all show us some love. No doubt. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to get it rocking? SoundSet 2018. Make some noise for OG Greg. Let's get it. Yo, what up, everybody? This is HB live from the 2018 SoundSet Music Festival. Jack Harlow just got finished touching the people, touching down on stage. So happy for this dude right here doing his first SoundSet. What was it like?
Excellent. You know, I had a great, can I hold it?
Yes, we can hold it.
I had a great time, you know what I mean? Got Heather here. Everything's good. Amazing crowd. They showed love. Minnesota people seem like some excellent people, so I'm happy to be here.
Now, what y'all doing with the girl situation while y'all out here? Y'all out exploring the city? Okay, so.
He makes a good point, though. Yeah.
Stay quiet. Don't tell on yourself, never. On the serious side, though, the summer's coming up. A lot of tours, a lot of big shows, a lot of music festivals. What you getting into this summer as far as working the Jack Harlow project?
Well, I'm finishing one up right now, and it's crazy. It's crazy.
No hints, no secrets, no nothing. Come on.
That's the biggest hint. It's crazy. Like, this is like, people are going to, find this interview and be like, he wasn't lying. I'm trying to tell you, it's crazy. So just look out for it. It's coming this summer.
Jack Harlow, make sure you look out for this summer. I'm serious. And go back. Watch him on the Sway in the Morning show. Go to swaysuniverse.com. We had such a ball with him. He came through and blessed it. So make sure you represent the artists out here with MC skills. All right, more from the 2018 SoundSet Music Festival, baby. Live from the 2018 SoundSet Music Festival. Quincy White just got finished killing the stage, and I'm saying killing it because he did not lip sync over any of the tracks, and he brought out live instrumentation. Oh, you know I was peeping everything, Quincy. Congratulations on your project, The 7, and what made you start bringing the live instrumentation to your show?
I just got real personal with the music, and I feel like live instrumentation really bring out emotion, so that's why I want to do it.
I think it was dope, and I also watch you do something that I watch an artist by the name of Oswin Benjamin do last year, is win a crowd over, because a lot of times you're coming out to these big music festivals and everybody may not be familiar with you when you first walk out, but by the time you leave the stage, everybody is cheering and clapping. What did that feel like for you?
It felt good. Really, it wasn't just me. Me and the team got together and really worked on the stage presence and crowd participation, so I really thank the team for that.
Nah, congratulations to you. What's next for you? More shows? The summer's coming up. What you going to be doing?
Well, I just want to do more shows. We're working on a new project, so just keep the workflow going, and just make things just bigger. Just do bigger and better things,
One of my favorite artists, I said it. I know in my heart that this man is a visionary. He's killing it. Keep on the watch. You are looking at a collective of men who have been in this industry and who have put their imprint on this culture for over 25 fucking years. We have to salute these men right here. Take your phones out and take a picture. Because 25 years from now, a lot of the groups that we rock into and we enjoy their music on these club nights won't be able to stand here 25 years from now and get saluted for their impact on the culture. I salute y'all. I salute y'all. I salute y'all. Word. This is high road, 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 high road. That's how you go out, baby. No doubt, yo. I love y'all, man. I love y'all, man, for real. We gotta start recognizing our real. We gotta start saluting our real. We start playing people's music and posting pictures of them when they not here no more. That shit is corny. If you a DJ out here and you fuck with an artist, play their music now. If you're an artist out here and you rock with another artist, reach out to them on social media. It may take a minute for that artist to get back to you, but just let them know, I rock with your music. Minnesota is crazy. As you know, this artist already been on the show. This artist already ripped it, killed it. Young M.A., fresh off the stage. Sway, it was crazy. You on the other side of the building right now, so you didn't get a chance to see the damage that was done. What was it like? Yo, that shit was crazy.
Yo, the love was crazy, man. But I don't want to act like I was surprised, because Minnesota always showed love to me. You know what I mean? But you know, when you go out and you do your thing, you always have your, you know what I mean? You have your doubts sometimes, because you always want things to be right. So when I went out there, I already knew. I'm like, oh, the crowd crazy. I'm about to finesse this right now. But Minnesota always showed love, man. So I was like, once they showed love, the first couple of bars, I was like, oh, we lit. We running down now. It's lit.
Yo, y'all give it up for y'all.
I love y'all, man. I appreciate it, man.
That's dope. We always support you as an artist. What you got coming up next? Maybe you're doing something crazy for the summer or before the year close out. What you got popping?
Doing everything for the summer. It made all summer, you heard? The album coming in the summer, singles coming in the summer, videos coming in the summer. I ain't gonna say what else, because I don't wanna give y'all everything, but, oh man, I don't talk a lot. That's not my style.
Yeah.
I'm more so do. I like to do, you know what I mean? That's me. But being that we're doing this interview, just to let y'all know, it's a lot coming in the summer. It's gonna be crazy, man.
Dope. Always. Make sure you stop by the show, though, whenever you get all that done. We love you. We support you. Thanks for the love. No doubt. Fam. SoundSet 2018. There is only one way to close out this stage. There is only one way to close out this stage. I want everybody to my left, everybody to my right, and everybody in the middle to put your hands in the air for atmosphere! Minnesota won. I gotta pass out this to Minnesota.
You're gonna run out of alcohol if you fucking Minnesota.